And everybody. TikTok. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing this morning? Already gotten the lift in. Eating my one meal of the day. Gonna hang out with you guys for a few hours. Get you some money, Lord willing, demo only. And then I go for my walk. And then Bree and I do some fun things. Nice. And then, let's see. It's a lot of thens. There we go. Now, go live. Can we go live? Yes. All right, we're live on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Oh, yeah. Nice. Whole bunch of ads. What a lovely breakfast. Buy stop, all indices, US 30, NAS, SPX, buy stop, 90-minute buy stop, US 30, YM1, NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES1 to the 90-minute blue line of US 30. I just want to ditch this alert. There we go. Good morning, everybody. How are y'all doing? Here we go. Now we have some alerts down here. I see. Yay. Let's take a look. Let's zoom in on our new little toy here. Nice. Nice. Which ones are these? Yeah, that's a bad color to read. Can I change the color? No. All right. Let me make this like that. Okay. Now, let me so this is 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, NQ1. All right. Change this to NQ1. Need to go down to 5 seconds. And then let's see if we can find. Why hell, when these occur? Right here. Oh, this is an NQ1. Hold on. Oh no, this is going to be a little more complicated. Something. Hold on. That was US 30. Fuck. So, crap. Oh boy. Let me go back in lurking and see if we still have. Yeah, okay. So it's marked me. This is NQ1, yeah. Well, hold on now. Where the heck did they all go? That's weird. And this is why we do all kinds of testing before we release these things to you. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, that's weird. Let me back here. Oh, I just tagged these. What? Hold on, let me go back up here. Time frame. Oh, but the markers aren't there anymore. Keith, shit. Why aren't the markers here? Fuck. Hold on. So this was here, and this is NQ. Can we go back that far? Why isn't it coming over? We won't go back that far. Damn, Keith. I screwed it up, buddy. Here's some. Let me change this to like a second, maybe. It's still not. Fuck me. April 25th. What time does that say? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it should do. Yeah, it should do the crosshairs. Any rate, sell stop to the 1 minute blue line, all indices. If you want to do the sells, just look for a sell going down, especially to SPX. I wouldn't do that. I would only do. The buys for the 90-minute, but feel free. You guys are all grown ass adults. Do what you want to do. Fuck, hold on. I'm in the middle of eating and stuff. God dang. All right, I'll test that out in a minute. Oh shit. Hold on. I didn't even get the gosh, too many things going on. Morning, everybody. Sells to the 1 minute blue line. Wouldn't play them. buys to the 90-minute blue line, all indices that we always trade. I'm getting a few things done.
Demo trading only. I am not a financial advisor.
Let's go over here. Can you believe somebody in the Discord was too lazy to actually look at the playlist? Pay attention. There you go. Don't be lazy. Put effort into the system. The more effort you put into anything in this world, the more results you get. Period. Don't, whine and complain about anything in your life. If someone else can be successful at anything, you can too. If you see other people trading and making money and opening up their own registered brokerage houses from the system, registered in the country of Norway, because Goroff is so successful. Well, if he can do that, you can do that. So if you see other people making money, which you do every day with the system, if they can do it, you can do it. Simple as that. All right, now I think we're good on. We are live on YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook. Good morning to everybody. I'll be right with you all. Sorry, I'm kind of in the middle of something at the moment. In the middle and not winning. But hold on just a sec. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'll be right with you guys. I think I'm making money. I'm not even paying attention. Oh, yeah, look at that shit go. Damn. What? Are we going up or something? That's the trade I just took with you guys. Huh. I'll have to look at that in a minute. Uh, now, good morning, good morning, good morning. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. I know we're making money. Hope you guys took that buy stop. Told you don't do the other. Yeah, we're up 47 pips. Holy shit. What the hell? Hold on. What do we got? Let me go over here. Oh, yeah, nice little push up. Beautiful. That's gorgeous. Hold on now. I think I'm going to have to go to this other one and install it over there. This is NQ. US 30 up. US 30 is in the money. What time period is this? 32nd. YM1's in the money. NAS is in the money. NQ1's in the money. SPX is in the money. This is nice. Take any buy stop you can find on those indices. I'm not saying we're not going to dip. We're probably still going to dip before 9:30. I'm just saying that yes, sir. Just responded. I am saying to play that 90-minute though, because FOMC, whenever, who knows? It's going to go up though. So just have fun with that today. I do have a few trades open. I kept getting tapped out yesterday in profit. I mean, over and over and over again, probably 5 or 6 times, because it wasn't just going, straight up. It kept coming down and hitting my stop loss, which is going to take profit. And for those of you who don't know, I'm trading out of the same account, and this is gold since 113. Since January of this year, this is the same account. And no, I don't blow fucking other accounts. God, how many accounts you blow up in secret? Dumb fucking people in this world. But at any rate, no. Only account I've ever traded with live the entire year. Every month. Well, you've seen some of my months. You can see currently where we're at. Get out of here, blown accounts. It's a clown world we live in. Because they blow accounts, they project out that everybody has to blow accounts. I'm still annoyed at that person. I know he apologized. I have to forgive and forget, but whatever. I won't mention his name at this point. Clown. I'm in the same, which is kind of odd because I usually switch accounts, because if I'm trading too big, oh, that's too big. If I'm trading smaller accounts, oh, that's too small. Why is only trading $300? Everybody out there has to whine, they just all have to bitch and complain. Just can't be happy. Just can't learn and shut their mouths. Just can't learn and shut their pie holes. Just can't learn and actually open up their minds, hearts, and soul. Realize I'm not just making money with this. Other people are too. Whatever. Fuck out of here. So anywho. Things in this world. People are so negative. Why can't people just be fucking nice? Why can't you all just be like Larry and John and all the Tariah Edwards and everybody? Everybody that's nice. Whatever. I hate inconsiderate people. Damn. What's going on with TikTok? Good morning, TikTok. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Did I take care of you last night, Aussie Trader? I think I did. It's my time. Good morning. It's my time on TikTok. Good morning to everybody. There's a few people floating through here. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. I'm trying to make sure I didn't miss anybody. Oh, Leon, I think it was. Kev Alderman. Good morning, Kevin. Let's see who's over here. Nope, not Aussie Trader. Let's see who's over here. Good morning, Henry. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Good morning, Tarson Black. Good morning, Kevin Alderman. Good morning, D-Man. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, It's My Time. Good morning, Lazarus. Good morning, Joe Bigga. Good morning, I. Good morning, Kenny J. Good morning, Old School Mick. Good morning, Grace, Faith, and Love. That's a nice name. All right, now let's see who we have over here. Good morning, Song. Good morning, Arginus Luna. Good morning, Ken Louder. Good morning, Ken. Good morning, Arginus. Good morning, Fletch. Good morning, Old School Mick. Thanks for being on both, Old School Mick. Good morning, Kenneth Terry. Hey, long time no see, Kenneth. Good to see you back. Good morning, D-Man. What's up, D-Man? What's up, Barry Deutsch? God bless you. Good morning, Larry Cooper, and God bless you. Da, da, da. Good morning, Brian Claus. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, Mike Glowinski, or we like to call him Glow. I've only known Glow 40 years. Jesus, like 44 years or some shit. Lord help us. God, Glow, we're old as fuck. I don't want to go down that road this morning. Good morning, Jason Lyons. Good morning. Where are we at? Henry Chastain. Thank you, Henry, for being on both. Good morning, Tank Dog. And if you're having trouble hearing, go over to TikTok. It's faster and better sounding. Good morning, Taraya Edwards. Good morning, Taraya. Good morning, Guyberger. I swear, I think Guyberger's been with me 3 years. Good morning, Brian Claus. Actually, I think Brian's been with me a while. Good morning, Kirk Brown. Maybe. There's Kirk. Good morning, Filio. What a cool name, Filio. Good morning, Orlando Walters. God bless you, Orlando, and good morning to you. God bless each and every one of you. Please take care of us today, God, that your will be done. Thank you for letting us breathe today. Thank you for letting us have the opportunity to serve you today. What a wonderful day. It looks rainy and overcast, and I couldn't be happier. Thank you so much for the blessings you've given my wife and myself. Please continue to do that. I ask your healing blessings upon each and every one of us. Heal up my wife in every way possible, myself in every way possible. Heal up all of our members. Heal up Keith and everyone that we know and love, and all the people we don't know. You're the reason why we breathe. We'd be dead in about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how long you can hold our breath. So thank you, God, for giving us each breath we get. Thank you, God, even for the bad things in our lives. Please help us to forgive others while we're here on this earth. Please help us to just, I don't know, learn how to actually trade so we can make money to help other people. So I don't want these people to get greedy with their money. I hope they do good with their money. Please let them listen to the words I'm trying to teach them, open up their hearts and souls, and let them actually be successful consistently with trading. In Jesus Christ's name, I pray these things. Amen. And again, that's no offense to anyone. If you believe in Muhammad, I don't Jewish religion, I don't care. Whatever you believe in, great. As long as you believe in something, there is a supernatural God, there is a supernatural power. The silliest thing is atheism. I don't want to get into it and get in a debate. But in order to be an atheist, you have to not believe in God. Well, that alone tells you that you're not believing in God. You're recognizing God. It's the funniest thing on earth to me how silly that is. But I'm not here to debate religion. We don't talk politics. All we talk about is making demo money. Good morning, Ace Bullet. Good morning, Lachey. What's up, Lachey? What's up, Neil? Good morning, Neil. Good morning, Victor. Victor, I don't recognize your name. Victor Morris. Neil Brownfield. Bowfield? You're welcome there. Hey, we all can use as many blessings as we can in this world. We're all just trying to get through it. None of us are making it out of it alive. Let's get you guys some money while we're here. Make some good memories. Make some laughs while we're trading. Have some fun while we're doing it. And again, this is what there's some core beliefs. Because I started talking about this the other day and everyone asked me to continue to do it. This is the psychology psychology of trading. This is where let's do this right here. How to get past your own trading limiting beliefs 101. So how do you get past your own trading limiting beliefs? Number one, I used to believe money is the root of all. Yeah, I had a hard time with this one. What's incorrect about that belief? Probably 10 years, I believe, maybe 20 years, I used to have gyms that were hugely successful. I couldn't fathom making that kind of money. I wasn't comfortable with it. I don't know why God was blessing me with it. I always felt that if I had money, it was evil. It was terrible. What's up, Keith Palmer? Go back to sleep. What's up, Keith? Good morning, Mike Snyder. Keith, I just prayed for you. You had probably 100 people praying for you right now. And my wife, and our loved ones, and our family members. It's not the money. Correct. That is correct, old school Mick. This isn't a rhetorical question. I'm looking for answers. So I used to believe money is the root of all evil. There's one word that's missing. What's the real quote? And you guys should answer. Think about this. Keith Rooney. Correct. Rayshawn Warren. Rayshawn Warren. It's the love of money. And that's exactly what what's his face was trying to say. Old school Mick. It's not the money, it's how you use it. He's trying to say, so the correct answer is the love of money. The love of money, where your intention is the root of all evil. I.e., do you put God first or money? Where's your intention? So when I learned that the love of money wasn't that money wasn't the root of all evil, it was the love of money that was the root of all evil. I go, oh, no, I love God first. I was able to totally, almost instantaneously, start attracting money into my life. The gyms weren't struggling. It was just instantaneous. It was amazing. And henceforth, why I have the 2 rules. That's why these are so big. I never really explained rules, do I? But this week explanation. Watch. That's why when you go down here and you go actually underneath your rules and read them, which I swear 90% of you do not do. I don't understand. I took my time to make these all out for you. Right here. You'll see the 2 most important trading rules ever. Right here. Always thank God and always do good with your profits. So when I'm telling you to do that, I'm telling you to put God first. Does that make sense to you guys? 7s for yeses, 9s for no. Yeah, that's true, Rayshawn. 99% of the people. Great answer, Rayshawn. Rayshawn, do you have the sniper and the sniper rifle, Rayshawn? And I know that sounds like a simple thing, like, oh, that's basic, everybody knows that. But I'm telling you, 40 years of my life, I didn't know it. All right. So let's go ahead and go further. There you go. Trading limitations. The market, I would tell myself this all the time. The market is going to turn against me as soon as I click that trade button. Buy or sell. I swear. And of course it did. For the first 2.5 years, I would be, man, I was afraid to hit the button. I was afraid to hit the dang gone button. Anyone been there? The dang gun buy or sell button. I was like, I couldn't do it. I was like, God, if I hit it, it's going to fucking turn. I know it's going to go against me. I just know it. As soon as I hit it, it's going to flip. It's going to go the wrong direction. And I'm not going to be able to get my... How many, anybody here can relate to that? Yes or no? And you're taking any buys on the indices, by the way. I had to take a break. Ray Sean, do you still have the system? Yes or no? I have felt like that. Yes, yes, yes. 100% yes, yes. This Larry Hoover. I'm telling you. So I hit that button, and I literally, I think my subconscious mind was willing it to turn the other fucking direction. Like, it was a clear off. I'm like, this, you can see that it's going up. It's going to, and I go into the trade, and bam, it's immediately down. And then it starts to flip. I'm like, what the fuck? Then I would hold it. Then I move my stop loss, trying to hope that it reverses. And I'm like, God dang. But then I started out thinking to myself, I go, well, I think it's a buy, so I'll do a sell. But then if it is a buy, then maybe I'll do the sell. And then it's just like, you're sending out that mixed direction. So, matter of fact, I should rewrite you guys something. Okay. I mean, it is just the way it goes. Rayshawn, you don't have the system. Send over a nicely worded email, and I'm going to give you the system for a month. Now I'm going to give you the system with the sniper rifle for 1 month. No charge from Bree and I. Send over a nicely worded email. Say, hey, I answered this question on Kev's Live. Da 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 da. If you want it. If you don't want it, you don't have to have it. I don't care. That's up to you. Wow, that sounds like me. Listen to this. Now I am the voice. Okay? I am in control. Not a victim. Right? Listen to this. I lead, not follow. I believe, not doubt. I create, not destroy. Right? Anyone following this? I am happy. You can take any of these. You don't have all of them. Not sad. Right? You can do this for anything in your life. Oh, shit. Oh, okay. I'm okay. We're good. Okay. So, for instance, those are just some of them. You want to take control of your mind. You want to say, now I am the voice. I am in control, not a victim. I lead, not follow. I believe, not doubt. I create, not destroy. I am happy, not sad. I am grateful. Not mean. Whatever you want to do. I win 90% or more of my trades. Anyone catching on to this? Not lose. You can substitute any of these things. The first two lines are the most important. You can put in anything else you want. Get your brain, get your subconscious, and repeat it over and over again. Now I'm the voice, and lead not thought, believe not doubt, create not destroy, defy all odds, I'm a force for God. And then fill in what you want. Now I am the voice. I am in control, not a victim. I lead, not follow. I believe, not doubt. I create, not destroy. I am happy, not sad. I am grateful, not mean. I win 90% of my trades or more, not lose. Fill it in. I am loving. I am 100% healthy. I'm in a loving, healthy, happy relationship with whoever your significant other is. And again, these are what work for me. I don't know what works for you, but I'm telling you, when you take control of your brain, it's a huge help. Yep, that's true, Kurt. You're welcome, Rayshawn. Is any of this helping people? Yes or no? I won't stay on it. I'm not going to do it long, but I am going to do it every show. So if you guys don't want me to help with this, then just say so. I'm not a psychologist. I'm just telling you what the fuck works for me. Yes, yes, sevens, yeses, okay? YouTubers, is any of this helping? I would write down what I just wrote down on there, and I would listen to it over and over again. I would record it on my voice recorder. I'd make a video of it, of you saying it. I played this over and over again while you slept. I would say it when you walked on a treadmill. I would say it before you go to sleep. I would say it before you when you wake up. Before you wake up, when you wake up in the morning, I'd play it in my sleep when I was sleeping. I'd make a note of this. Now I am the voice. I am in control, not a victim. I lead, not follow. I believe, not doubt. I create, not destroy. I am happy, not sad. I am grateful, not mean. I win 90% of my trades or more, not lose. Or any version that you want improvement on. Mike Snyder said, absolutely helps 777. Good morning, Alex. Just trying to do some basic little stuff that helped me. That's all. Okay, good. I'm done. That's all. We'll just do this like every little time we're on. I'll spend 5 minutes, 10 minutes on it. We'll just do a little bit of that. And if you like it, great. If you don't, just change the channel for 5, 10 minutes. Come back later. But the psychology of trading is tricky. When I was losing for 2.5 years, when I didn't have hardly any money left, $26,500, I did not have to lose. You kind of go into panic. You're kind of like, holy shit, I'm ever going to win the trade again. Honest to God, I was so bad. I would go weeks, I don't even know, maybe a month or two, but definitely weeks without winning one trade. Like not even a penny. Because I would hold it, I'd be caught. Oh yeah, you're in the money, by the way. What's going on here? I'd be holding the trade. Oh yeah. Yeah. Look. Nice. Oh, this is the trade I told you to take right when I went live. Oh shit, I got that stop loss in. Oh. We'll get right back to where we schedule program here. Hold on. Now that we're in profit, you got to drop that in. There we go. I'm just really low. I don't even care what kind of profit I take on that. Okay, there we go. What's up, Jamil? I don't recognize you. Welcome to the channel. Let me see over here. Oh, evidently the guy didn't due to the interest rate. Okay. Okay. Good morning, Techman. Good morning, Annie Apple. Morning, Annie. All right. Some flipping going on. Let's see what this is about. 5 second. Sell stop to the 5 second blue line. I wouldn't play any sells, by the way. ES1. Sell stop to the 5 second blue line. SPX1. It's too quiet around here. Let me drop some of these in. Oh, come on. Really? And you set 5 second sell stop to the 5 second blue line. NQ1. 5 second sell stop to the 5 second blue line to NAS. There you go. I would only take 5, but for those of you who like to play the up and the down, feel free. 5 second sell stop. It's going to be the latest. It's going to be US 30 first. Probably NAS. Yeah. Probably NAS. We can sit here and wait for that. We're looking for these to turn red. And we want this to go down and hit the blue line. There you go. And there you go. Touchdown, touchdown. We have the hit. We have the hit. You have NQ1 to the 5 second blue line. You have NAS to the 5 second blue line. SPX, you've got time for SPX to hit its 5 second blue line. Again, I don't trade the sells hardly ever. I do trade the buys only. But again, you're grown ass adults. Do your own thing. That's my release says. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, look at that. NAS and NQ flashed red. You see that? Nice. We're waiting for SPX and ES1. You're going to see pink come up, hook, come down. You see it fill in the gap right here. You'll see this trade go up, probably in this yellow-green thing right here, the channel. Hook and come back down. Fully expecting it to go to here. Again, I'm not a fan of this. This is a permanent buy. But, you know, everybody has their own thing. Still a great profit at 46 pips since I told you to get in. That's beautiful right there. It's a beautiful number of pips. All right, where were we? Let's go ahead and make a whole bunch of call outs unless you want to sit here and watch this trade. I just think, I guess I'm really hyper because I think watching even like 5-second trades, it gets so fucking boring. It's like watching paint dry. Don't even get me started on the high. You can't. I mean, you can't sit and watch like an hour trade. I mean, you just can't. It just would be hour after hour. And I mean, you'd be like fucking staring at a screen for 20 hours. And even then, it might not come through. You're in the money on the sell on SPX. Look to the blue line. Yep, you are. There you go. See that little hook down right there? Sell stop. You can make money with my system going up or down. I happen to like the up. Let's see. Yes. Yeah, you're making money in the US 30. But I don't know. This way. Now, let me go ahead and whip through all these real quick and actually get you some call outs here. 1 second. Sell stop. Towards the 5-second blue line US 30. 10 second sell. Much better. 1 minute buy US 30 Y at 1. Love this trade. I don't do sells. I love this trade right here. Take profits. You can see where I'm throwing them in at. I've already explained it ad nauseum. That's a 1 minute buy US 30. 1 minute buy, 3 minute buy US 30. Love these trades. See, look, it's calling. Oh my God, it's calling out 30-second buy, 1 minute buy, just like I do. That is too funny. Oh my gosh. Let me go forward here. Now, this is on US 30. We're going to have to talk about the color. Let me grab this. This is a 30-second. Okay. Now, let's keep going. Boom. Nope. Let's keep going here. 10 minute, 15 minute, too late, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour buy, 3 hour, 1 hour buy, 3 hour, 1 hour buy, 1 hour buy, 90 minute. Buy stop to the 90-minute blue line. Look. There it is. There's the buy stop to the 90-minute blue line. Look, it's flashing. Look at Keith go flashing my signs. That means everything's ideal for these. This is fun. Oh, anyways, buy stop to the 90-minute blue line. Buy stop to the 2-hour blue line. This is US 30 we're talking about. To the 3-hour blue line, to the 4-hour blue line, to the 5-hour blue line, buy stop. And then daily sell stop. This is going to be a problem for Trump. Daily sell stop. And no, I didn't vote for him. Chill. Actually, I didn't vote at all this year. Or last year. Sell stop US 30 to the, oh my goodness, what the hell? 36,400. More importantly, weekly buy. And I love this buy, and this buy will set records. Trump just got to get through that little sell problem there. And then this is going to be huge. This is a weekly to new record highs US 30 buy. Weekly. It takes a long time. Weeklies don't happen fast, but they'll happen. YM. All the same calls for YM. 5-second sell to the blue line towards it. 1 minute buy, 3 minute buy. I just love the buys right here. These are going to be clicking off. You'll be hearing all kinds. Oh, there you go. Told you NAS. Told you NAS and IQ will be the first two. I have my arrow right there. We'll turn to red on the 5 minute. All right, I wouldn't play the sells, but that's just me. You're going to ask adults, do what you want. 2-hour buy, 3-hour buy. Let me see the tournament. NQ1 to the 90-minute blue line. I'm sorry, YM1 to the 90-minute blue line, to the 2-hour blue line, buy stop, to the 3-hour blue line, to the 4-hour blue line, buy stop, to the 5-hour blue line, buy stop. Daily sell, weekly buy. It's absolutely going to go to record highs. YM1 will do that. NAS, 5-second sell to the blue line that I've just been calling live. You can see it. Right, see it? Went right below it. There you go. And watch, NQ1 will be right behind that. See? There it goes. Watch, it'll flip here in a second. Oh, well, they'll both do it again anyway. And NAS, 5-second buy, wouldn't trade it. 1 minute, 3 minute, it was a 5-second sell. 1 minute, 3 minute buy, stop. NAS, 15, 30-minute buy, 90-minute buy, 1 hour buy. Where's the 1 hour? Where's the 1 hour? Where's my blue line on the 1 hour? Oh, above. Oh, shit, we're that far above? This is great. Definitely look for that US 30 buy. Definitely look for that US 30 buy. Geez, oh, pizza, they're giving us that free money again. This is the problem right here. Daily sell to the blue line, NAS 100. Take profit 160,000. We have SPX. I'll come right back to that. SPX. There you go. SPX to its 5-second blue line, doing wonderful. Yay. All right, back to NAS. NAS is a weekly buy to record new highs. Weekly buy to record new highs for NAS. This is going to take a minute, but it'll get there. NQ1, 5-second sell to the blue line. It's past it. NQ1 to the 10-second blue line. Next, you'll see these fall to the 10. Look at them all fill in. Look, told you. There you go. Just look at it drop. Told you. Look, SPX to its 10-second, to its 15-second. There you go, baby. SPX to its 15-second blue line. Look at it go down. Told you. Actually titled the email 1 minute to the 1 minute blue line. Told you. There you go. All right. Anywho, SPX, I still wouldn't take those sells. I would be looking for the 2-hour buy to the blue line, SPX. Then I would look for a daily sell, which is a nightmare on Elm Street. We're going to skip that. And then we're going to go to weekly new highs. It's a weekly, monthly buy stop for all indices. They'll all be at record highs in time. I know there's a daily sell. Just bear with me. ES1. You can see that it's going to its 10-second. It is going to hit it and go below its 10-second. We can see that because it's on its Keith. Oh, geez, I should record this for Keith. He's still here. This is what we want to see. You want to see NAS and NQ flip, and then SPX hasn't done it yet. It's going to sell to the 5-second blue line, ES1. It's in the game. All right, I wouldn't play that. I would come up here and look for a 1 minute buy. Probably. Yep, 1 minute buy stop. And you can do this to the 2-hour blue line of SPX. Daily sell. Pretend I didn't say that. And a weekly buy to record new highs for ES1. And there you go. So yes, I'm calling these trades out live while I'm eating, while I'm messaging a guy about a house in Vegas, while I'm trading with you guys. And while I'm finishing up breakfast. Multitasking. Good morning, Techman again. Good morning, DJ. What's up, DJ? Thank you. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. What's up, John Parker? Nice. Here you see things come down. Look, the pink will cross the purple. The most important indicator made, and this will go to the blue line. I just see these change over here. Watch. And if I can do it, and if lots of my other students can do it, you guys can learn to trade too. Oh, that was good. US 30. Let's see what US 30 is doing. I hear money talking. Let's hear that money talk. Money talk. Oh, nice. Yep. Here's the money on US 30. Yep. It's 5 seconds ago. It was 10-second blue line. You're probably going to see a pull back up to see the piece of purple come back up, and then we'll go to the blue line. But I'm not picky. Look at all the red. I told you this is there. Click, 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 click. There you go. Look for this to turn to 10-second right here on your sell. Oh shit! I only have 2,000 in that trade. Damn, we've lost 20 pips so far. Oh yeah. There we go. Keith Rooney, the Keithinator. Keith. All right. I think I'm a bit better now. I can actually start to trade. I'm gonna have to lower that AC. Chilling. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. We made so many pips learning room calling out H&A scanner trades. Like I was watching you guys do it. Yeah, that was fun. Awesome. I was watching. Where the hell is my? Oh, look at that go down. Look at that go down. Pop goes the weasel. It just tapped down my trade. It's some bitch. There you go. Look. Told you. Who else is trading with you? Well, against you at this point. Trading with you, telling you that this is going to flip to red, showing you where it's going to go on a 10-second chart, on a 5-second chart, on a 1-second chart on some of these. And then on the SPXs was a 5, 10, 15 second, 30 second. Let's go over to the 30 second to see what's happening with US 30. There you go. It's going to go right down to here. And then this is going to turn to, and again, I wouldn't play these. I would just use these as another opportunity to enter in for a buy. But there you go. You can take the trades. Feel free. They were doing that in the room last night. They were doing buy, sell, buy, sell, buy at the same time. I don't know what the fuck they were doing. They were doing everything. It was a blast, John. Nice, John. And good morning to you, John. And good morning to KJ and Techman and Guyberger and Matt and Filio and Mike Snyder. What's up, guys, ladies and gentlemen? There we go. We have a touchdown. Touchdown to the blue line, US 30 to the 30-second blue line. I named the email to the 1 minute. Oh, we have a touchdown to NAS to the 1 minute. Look at this shit go. I have to go check NAS real quick. Sell stop ES1 to the 1 minute blue line. Sell stop ES1 to the 1 minute blue line. This is another prime example for Keith to see. I have to go over. Watch this. Let me know when this hit is going to hit. All right, let me go over to ES1. 1 minute. Yep, there we go. Touchdown, baby. There we go. You're going to see these turn red next, and this will turn red here. Look at this go. Boom. Now, we might see it go all the way down to the 15-minute blue line, but I don't know. That's pretty damn far. I'll look at that in a second. And this turn red, you're going to see more and more BS and buy stops pop up over here. When these turn redder and redder and redder and redder, you'll see more of them turn up over here. Touchdown.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
H&H don't lie. Wait till you get the steroid at H&H. This thing right here, John. You're going to be in heaven, brother. Look at that. Touchdown. Yeehaw. This is your ES1, and I'm sure SPX is the same. Yep, SPX is the same. You're going to see these turn red right here. This will go to there. These will turn red, and then that's going to turn red. Let's see the 30 seconds. Oh, that's the limit. Hold on. Yep, ricochet. All right, now what you're going to see is pull up. The paint will come up. You'll see a space over here. This will go up somewhere into this range on the red, yellow, green. Then it will ricochet and come back down. For some of you that don't understand my words, let me draw it out for you. Price action is going to do this, come up, look, and come back down. You're going to see a space pull back up over here. Then that will come back down. And then you're going to see this come up like this hook, and then that'll come back down. Then you'll see these fill in right here, the red. These will fill into red, and then this will red. And again, I do not trade these. And let me be clear on this. I do not trade the sells. I would say 95% of the time. Only trade buy stops. And of course, demo only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Demo trade. I never want to be a financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor. I want nothing to do with that fucking shit. Let me tell you. Ever. For any reason. Couldn't pay me to be a financial advisor. Following all those dumbass rules and shit. Get the fuck out of Dodge. No way. Yeah, Safe Neighborhood will provide you with keypad to view the property. If you're interested, I'll send an application. Upon approval of security deposit, will reserve the property until your movement date. Will then meet sign the lease, pay them once first rent. Is this guy listening? All right, where were we? The hooky thing. Yeah, it's pulling up. Yep, everything's coming around. There's the space I talked to you about. There's a red space, yellow. It's hooked back up into this channel. I call it channel, but whatever. Price action has come up. No, absolutely not. No. And then this is going to hook, come back up, and this will come back down. The purple will come back down. Price action will come down. You'll see these turn to red. Again, I'm just trying to give you guys the head up. I do not trade the sells in these particular symbols. I do trade sells, just not with these particular symbols. Only the buys, baby. All right, I'm board. FOMC today. Yes, John Parker. Thank you, sir. At 2 p.m., if I'm correct, unless they changed that. It always was 2 p.m. FOMC, baby. That's going to make a move. Hopefully, they drop it down until 2 o'clock, and then they'll spike it up really hard with FOMC. That's my prediction for us at FOMC. But I'm not there. I don't know. We'll see. Ooh, I'm going to have to fill up a little drinky drink. Drinky drink. I am so excited. I just can't stop it. I just can't. I've been looking for. What fun, what fun. I just can't stop it. All right. All right, now. I just can't. I only got 4 hours of sleep last night. Not good. Not good at all. 4 hours of sleep. Yeah.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Aussie trader. I mean 2 minute. I don't even see what you said about trading. Aussie trader is cutting off your messages. I only see one that says I mean 2 minute. Can you try typing it on YouTube? All right. It's getting ready to do its little flippy turn here. Purple came up. You're going to see pink cross purple come down to blue. You're going to see these red things start to get a little, it might go green. Let's see if this goes green right here. Oh yeah, this is easy. Sell stop to the 15-second blue line. Let's see. Yeah, same thing here. I'm just going to watch this. This is green. Eventually, right here, you're going to see this turn to red. You're going to see price action come down and touch this blue line. And this will get to the 15-second blue line. Pink cross the blue. You're going to see the blue hook down. You're going to see these greens get smaller and smaller and smaller. And then they're going to turn. And then they're going to go below the yellow line, orange line, green line. That's price action. And then it'll come down to the 15-second blue line. Yes, what just did it? Oh, it's right there. That's right. And we'll just sit here and wait. So boring to me, though. I should probably go call out gold and stuff, Bitcoin. I probably should. What are we doing? Australia, do you think we go lower than the 1 minute blue line? Yes, I do think. Sometime today before FOMC, I think they're going to drop it. Hell, they might drop it at FOMC. You know, they do that bullshit where they drop it real hard. They might do that. So meaning anytime between now and 2 o'clock, they can drop this extremely low, I'd say maybe 5-10 minute blue line, and then they're going to hook it. And then I think they're going to do a buy up. Now, if FOMC might be bad, it might go down. I don't know, but if I was trading at 2 o'clock, I'll try to be on for you guys. Maybe I'll be trading at 2 o'clock. I don't know. If I'm trading at 2 o'clock, I can't tell you exactly what it's going to do, but my best guess is they're going to drop it now or drop it before then sometime, and then they're going to yank it back up for FOMC. That's my best guess. Oh, damn, I'm just going to go over to you 10 seconds. Sit right here and wait. You guys want me to call out gold and Bitcoin and XRP and Ethereum, or you want us to sit here and wait? I'm good either way. There we go. Watch. You should see it turn to red now. You should see the candles turn to red right here. Watch. There they are. There they are. There they are. Ding, 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 ding. Told you. There's the down. There it is. There's the down to 10 cents. Told you. Told you. Doesn't even matter. Now I can go do it because it came true. Look, and there it is to the 30. I drew it out before it happened. Told you these were going to change. Told you where it was going to go. Told you that now it's going to turn red. Look at the see my little drawing. You see my drawing right here? Look at my drawing. This is exactly what I drew. Look. Oh, there it is. There it is. Look at the pink line. Look at the pink line. I drew the pink line. What was going to happen with the pink line? Look. Sniper, the greatest freaking invention in the history of the world. Look. Sniper matched up. Look at these lines right here. You see it? Okay, come on. Who's giving up the sevens and yeses and holy shit, kept drew out exactly what was going to happen, came down and did it, drew exactly what was going to happen. Look at my little eyes, did it. Look at the little thing, did it. Oh, it's going to go up. I don't care. It did it was going to do. You're dealing with fucking 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15-second trades. It's not going to be a 3,000 pip movement. It's just not. This is incredible. You guys watch that? Did everybody watch that? Was that pretty fucking cool? Was that pretty fucking cool? Now, you notice there's no more doubters. You know, well, we had one yesterday actually, but he learned his lesson. You notice there's no more haters. There's no one that dare comes in here and question because it all comes true. Everything I fucking tell you, everything the way it's going to come out. I sat here and waited against my hyperness. I didn't want to sit here, but I kept sitting and kept waiting and kept sitting. But there it is. It did exactly. The gap filled in, turned to green, turned back to red. The pink came down. Price action came down and touched the blue line. What the fuck more do you guys want? A system that tells you what's going to happen before it happens. That's what. Free money college. Yep, I agree with Techman. Yeah, okay, I'll do gold. I just wanted to appreciate, you guys should appreciate what you're witnessing. It's not every day. Well, okay, with me it's every day. But it's not every day you see traders actually trade, call out the trades, trade with you, tell you what's going to happen before it happens, and draw it. This is literally drawn out. Literally drawn out. Crazy, isn't it? All right, I'm done. But that was fun. All right, still take the sell stop to the 1 minute blue line, or if you're a little bit more patient than the hyperness personified over here, then go ahead and go over to your 10 minute, 5 minute. Well, I'm calling it 5. 5 minute buy stop to the 90 minute blue line of US 30. And that's all indices, all 6. All right, let's go to gold. What's that one? I swear, 7 yeses. I hope so. All right, here we go. Gold. Oh, we're on the wrong one. Hold on. We have to go over to here. We have to use the regular sniper, not the steroid sniper. All right, let's go to gold. It's already on gold. That's funny. All right, let's see what it's going to do. Gotta wait for the sniper rifle to pop. Oh, this looks interesting right here. Let's see what that 30 seconds doing. Interesting. Sell stop to the 30. Sell stop. I would never do a sell on gold and calling it for you just in case you're hyper. 1 minute buy stop. Find myself. That's a little gold. Okay, gold's always buy. Let's be clear. 30 minute buy stop gold. Take profit 1. Halfway up. 3,400. Buy stop gold. 45 minute. 3,408. And then 3,425, and that is gold. I love gold. I love gold. The only challenge we have with gold is this. It's going to, well, it better. This pink line is going to be coming down with the purple like it did here. This is back in December, January. I've been in my trade since January the 13th or 14th. 13th, January 13th. It'll come up, it can come down. Now, this is January of 2 years ago. This is what it did last October, September. Actually, it was June, July. So it was July. And this is what it's doing it this year, January. And then it's going to also do the same thing in July. You're going to notice that it doesn't really come down. It's kind of like the sideways market thing that you guys call consolidation. All it is moving over, wait for this pink line to come down. We come down and come back up again, and gold even higher prices. And that's gold. Love the weekly buy stop. You just have to wait for it to develop a little bit more. You can play these ups and downs by all means. All right, I will be back in just. No, I don't know. How's come I can never find how's coming? I'll be right back.
Demo trade only.
In about 2 minutes. I'm back. US 30. What are we doing? Gold. What's up, YouTube? It's me. Oh, there we go. Sell stops all complete. Yay! Look how nice. All hit their 1 minute blue line as called out in the email I sent you. You can see all the new. Let's move this up. All of the new buy stops forming on the higher time frame. These come down. These go up. And hold on 1 second. And you can clearly see how awesome this is doing. You know, it's not for, oh, it's not buy stops on this one. That's right. But anyway, so we went to the 1 minute line, went to the 3 minute blue line. Everybody, yay, I hope you all are happy. Yes, I can see this coming down to the 10 minute, 15 minute blue line today. Again, I think they're going to drop this before they pull it up later today with FOMC. But that's just me. I just call it the way I see it as I'm trading. If I'm trading at 2 o'clock, I'll tell you exactly what it's going to do. Thank you, Orlando and Kick, for telling us about the 3 minute blue line, and John Park for saying the 1 minute blue line. There we go. Got to get rid of that. Okay. Let's see. Anybody have any questions for me? Anybody have any comments for me? You can see these are all turning red, meaning they're below the blue line. These are all turning the buy stops. See them? As this 5 minute hits, you're going to start seeing 45 minute, 60 minute. So see right here, we already have a 90 minute ES1 buy stop. That's all. Now, if you're really, really hyper, you could just wait for these ones over here in 1 second to turn green. And then eventually you'll see some of these turn green, and then we'll play like the US 30 to turn green and so on. But you know how you want to do it. Oh, wow. That was nice. Gee, let's see. What did I name my email this? All right. Let's see what I named it. I don't know. Might not be able to find out either. Dang on, my computer's moving slower than molasses. Slower than molasses. All right, I might have to go underneath the other. I have 2 email services. You know, I haven't heard from Adrian. That's funny. Calling. I'll try calling later today. But if we don't hear, have to remove and stop. Yo, Adrian. Adrian. Good morning, Adrian. Haven't heard from you this month. You okay? Yeah, we're probably going to have to stop this stuff. Let me mark this down. We got call Yo Adrian. Yo Adrian. Yo Adrian. Call Adrian. Got it. What's this stuff? FOMC. Oh, Brad. I got that. So that's me. Time and partial. All right, that will take care of that. This can go over there, and this can go over there. All right. Anyone say anything negative? I, yeah, there you go. Why am I kicked out? Nice. 5-minute hit. Look for SPX. 5-minute sell stop. SPX. Oh, God dang. Hold on. Yep, SPX is going to hit next. You're going to see this one change to red, and you're going to see price action go below that blue line right there. Let's zoom in a little and take a look. And there you go. Also forming for us a 5-minute buy stop, just so we're clear. All these little time frames, pullbacks are forming buys on the higher time frames. Yeah, baby. What's today? Wednesday. I got one more day, Thursday. Yeah, I'm supposed to fill that up. All right. Now let me respond over there. Oh, this is the email I sent out. And we'll know when this trade is over with because we'll see, oh, look, go back all of them. Pull back. We're going to see these 1 seconds turn to green, and then some of the 5 seconds turn to green, and I'm going to come running over there and call the buys. Just be patient. ES1, it's in the game. Yeah. Good. So we hit the 5 minutes. Yep. Now, will we hit the 10 minutes? That's the question. Probably. Yeah, probably we will. It's a far dive down, but we probably will. All right, let's get that out of the way. This not going. And let's go over to here. These are here that I don't want them to see. There we go. Is the email that was sent out to everybody. Right here is the wording. Sells to the 1 minute blue line SPX ES30, but your best is a 90-minute buy. So the sells to the 1 minute all happen. In case you guys never open up your emails, whenever it's inside the email, there's all these great training videos you're linked to. So if you're ever having trouble trading, there's your links to them. But no one ever looks inside the emails, or about 30% of you do. That's about it. So whatever. Your loss is not mine. All right. Waiting for this to come back down to there. Yeah, that's boring. All right. I've called out, obviously, US 30, YM1, NAS 100, NQ1, SPX 500, ES1. It's in the game. Called out gold. And now I'm going to call out Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, and then we'll see about the rest. All right, let's go over to Bitcoin. Let's see exactly what the sniper is saying right here. Nice. I'm wondering if anyone named Kevin Grogo using the safety trading system called out Bitcoin to go back to, I don't know, 95, 100, 105. Look, I teach you guys to take the orange line. is filling up. This doesn't come up in touch. This will touch this time next week or Monday, actually, when it flips. They flip on Mondays. You'll see this green come up and touch the yellow. You see the pink cross the purple going up towards the orange. You're going to see price action continue to go up. Next take profit is 100, then 105, 110, 115, 125. Stop. You'll see here I trade within the smaller time frames. So Bitcoin is always a permanent buy unless otherwise noted. Just like the 6 indices, we trade just like gold. So that's Bitcoin. XRP is going to be the same thing. You have tons of time for Bitcoin, for XRP. XRP behind, the peak line hasn't crossed the purple yet. The green hasn't gone up, touched the yellow, and it hasn't gone up to its orange line. So you will have some opportunities for XRP that you do not have in Bitcoin. It looks to me like there's some of these smaller cells right here. So let's go down to the 1 minute and take a look and see what that is. Sell stop 1 minute to the blue line, XRP. Take profit, XRP on the sell of $2.13. Already there. Let's see. Oh, buy. I would never do a sell on XRP. Buy, stop XRP. $2.16. Take profit, 15 minute. Buy XRP. $2.18. 15 minute. Let's go up to some nice higher time frame where you make some bigger money. Oh, that is a sell. Where's it going to? 1 hour, 4 hour, really? Hold on. Sell XRP, 1 hour, 4 hour, $2.05 XRP. 12 hour sell XRP. I don't give two shits. XRP is a permanent buy. I'm sticking to what I tell you. The take profit that it will go to, not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Take profit, $2.50 XRP. Then look for 280, 320, 360, and $4 XRP. Tell me XRP is the strongest recommendation buy. I was saying that for Bitcoin for a while. Remember, well, I was saying it for gold for a while too. But anyway, Bitcoin was the strongest recommendation buy until it hit its orange line. Exactly. XRP is the strongest recommendation buy until it hits its orange line right here for take profit. Ethereum. It's a much higher buy. Yeah, it's a 3-week monthly buy. This is for Larry. I've already called it out, but I can definitely see it going back to 3,000. I love Ethereum. XLM, a little shittier. I'm not so sold on XLM. It's fine. I'm not a big fan of it. It's going to go back up to 35 cents. Nike, huge fan of Nike, and it keeps dropping like a rock. Love Nike. Let it follow it down. I mean, you can start doing take profit, just follow it down. 50. So yeah, look at take profit like 65, 70, 75. Take profit for Nike I love is 125. Love it. So this should be like a 2-bagger, a 2-bagger where you double up 2 to 3 times your money. Love Nike. Target. Love Target. It's a little faster. It's a monthly, 3-month, yeah. And it keeps dropping. I see it going down, and I love it. $109 take profit all the way up to $175, all the way back up to $250. Target could very easily turn into at least a double, maybe even a triple bagger. Triple your money. Demo money only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Jay, when I made like $8 grand on the options on this stuff, just love this thing. Love this thing. Monthly, 3-monthly buy stock, you guys, it's so strong. I take profit of $165. I just love JJ. CVS, another 3-month, 6-month buy. I love it. You've already made a shit ton of money with me on that one, demo only. I love CVS. It's going to $84, maybe even $85. Love it. Gorgeous trade, gorgeous stock. That's enough. I think. So go back to US 30. Let's go down here to these. Over here. And let's see what these little 5-minute are doing right there. Let's go over here and see 5-minute. 5-minute. Will it go all the way down to the, yeah, I think it will. If it doesn't go all the way down to the 5-minute again, see, yeah, it's going to NQ. Yeah, and NAS and NQ are going back down to the 5-minute, and SPX and ES look like 2. But I don't trade that. As soon as these flip, someone, John or who's been here for a minute, John, Aussie Trader, Orlando, Kirk, you guys over there, let me know when these flip the 1 second greens in case I miss it. We don't have alerts. I don't think you put the alerts on the 1 second for this. I don't think so. Let me check. See if I can find one of our little signals to go off. I have to record this, I'm afraid. I used to record every session I ever did. Every session I have 10 at least petabytes. Those old external hard drives, the bigger ones. Maybe a dozen of them. I recorded every session for years and years and years and years. That's how they would figure out when things were looking a certain way. Yeah, I'm not going to find one of those things on my file. Dang it. Anywho. No, Kev, thank you, Orlando Walters. SPF just touched the 5-minute. Easy as pie. Thank you. Nice. You're welcome, Andrew. That's the name of the line. Yes, it is correct. US 30. It's the, yep. There you go. All right, guys. Anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? I don't think there's actually any news this morning at 8:30. Thank God, because I really didn't feel like playing it, but I would have. A few mornings I'm anxious for it. Most mornings I'm not thrilled about the news. I like to teach you all stuff, but I don't know. I'm not in the mood to teach them right now. GMAT, can your indicators be expired? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That is my 8:30 alert, and we're okay on it. No big deal. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. $5.75. What day was this on? May the 2nd. What day is today? Oh, yeah, you've been expired. You've been expired. Talk to him. Looks like they expired May 2nd, 2025. Here's the link to renew if you want to. They act as if they don't know like why it could have possibly expired or why it isn't there. Never mind. It's so silly to me. Control C. Thank you. Send, and there goes that. So he's taken care of. I hear something. I hear something. That sounded good. What was it? XRP crossing. Oh, okay. Oh, we're below. We're below on all 5 minutes. You're in profit. Yeah, I told you. I told you. NAS is red. NAS is red. Look below the 5 minute blue line. Red, 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 red. Let's go over to US 30 and see if we can catch that one. Yes. Take any trade until US 30 turns red. 5 minute at least gets close to it. You'll see it come down to here for US 30. Nice. Good. Well, I hope you guys are making some money on these sells. Your trading view. Da, 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 da. So he can be tossed too, and I'll right back. All right, where were we? I don't know where we were. Oh, 5 minute sells. Yeah. Where are we? Hello, how are y'all doing? Boost. Oh, is that Boost? What's up, Boost? Good morning, Boost. I don't think I've seen Boost in a minute. Did you change your name or something? Good morning, prayers and blessings. Thank you. Got to keep the caps lock on. Nice here, Piggy. I love it. Aussie Trader, if you're ever looking for news, you can click the calendar on the bottom right-hand side of Trading. It gives all upcoming news. Thank you, Aussie Trader, for that information. The only two newses I care about, though, are, well, three, FOMC, NFP, and CPI. Good morning, Cristobal Armas, but thank you, Aussie Trader. You're always so helpful. Appreciate you. We're looking for some sells, letting them develop to the 5 minute blue line. I do believe we're going to hit that. As a matter of fact, if they don't jerk this up at open, which they may not, because the way they're going to do the FOMC, then you're going to have to wait till round 2 till the FOMC, then the buy stops will kick in. I've been calling that all morning. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Let me get this. Da, 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 da. All right, where was I? Oh, I need to get this. Share, copy link. And go over here, go over there, go over here, paste, go back up to here, do that, and paste. Follow the paste. Vegas policy. Oh, I gotta get him. What did he purchase? Sniper?
All right. Thank you, Aussie73. I didn't know that. No, sir, just went dark to focus on the perfection of your system. Bigger buys for me. Yes, Boost. So that's good, Boost. I'm glad you're back, brother. And see, look, Aussie Trader, you helped out Orlando. And I'm very glad for Boost to be back. Yeah, Boost. I might not remember everybody like Bree does, but I do remember most all of you once I see your names, I know. Oh. O-R-E-O. Oh, let me go over here. Where's my emails? Yeah. All right. Anybody have any concerns, comments, questions, happiness, joy, sad? Let me know. I'm trying to get this address thing located. I'm not having any luck. No. All right. Thank you, Australia. Be trading FOMC. What's up, Black Pearl? Yeah, if I'm on at 2 o'clock, I'll trade FOMC. I'm already telling you what it's going to do. They're going to drop it beforehand, and they're going to raise it up. There you go. US 35-minute sell to the blue line is going to go down there soon. Yeah, they'll jack it up. Well, they'll probably hook it down even more down to like the 15-minute blue line, which I don't know what that means. And then they're going to raise it up later. It's going to go to the 90-minute blue line of US 30 is where it's going. So I'm telling you what FOMC is. Literally hours and hours and hours before it's even going to come out. So there you go. We trade everything. CPI, easy peasy. Not farm payable. We just traded the other day and kicked fucking ass. It's no big deal. Once you have the system, you know what to do before it does it. It's super easy. Super easy. Super Mario. Good morning, sir. God bless. It's going to be a beautiful day. It already is a beautiful day. You're right, Crypto Creep. What's up, buddy? System is freaking epic. Nice here, baby. I'm glad you're happy with it. Tell 100 people. And good morning to you, the Black Pearl, by the way. All right. Well, I'm getting bored watching, so we're going to have to cruise around. Active 10 hours ago. Is that right? That would be. All right. I don't know.
Demo trade only. Financial advisor.
What is going on with NQ1? Let's see. NQ1. Let's see if I get you some fast money here. Nope, it's right above it. Doesn't matter. Nope, right above it doesn't matter. Damn. Yeah. We're getting there. I would not play these sell stops come hell or high water. You should only be waiting and being patient. Good luck with my group. To the 45-minute, 90-minute buy stuff. US 30 is a 90-minute buy stop to the 90-minute blue line. You'll see price action go from here to here, probably with FOMC today. YM1 is also a 90-minute buy stop. NAS is going to take a 60-minute buy stop to the 90-minute blue line of US 30. NQ1 to the buy, SPX and ES1 are all buys. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and mark it up, and let's get you some take profits built in here. I'm going to go up to here, and we're going to go to here. Let's see, zoom in a little bit more. This is NQ1. Take any buy stops you can find. If you're unfamiliar with what a buy stop is, a future pending order. These are your take profits. As you see me flash them up, you'll see the number right there. This is for ES1. It's in the game, and you'll see it go up here later. So you'll be hearing a lot of cha-chings. Maybe even open up, kind of hoping they pull that open to bring it down again. SPX 500 is the exact same trade. It's just what they do. Right here. Take profit 1, take profit 2, and of course right below the blue line is take profit 3. And that is for SPX buy stop 2 hour, and then this is NQ, which is, yeah, that's better. I'm going to call NQ on a 3-hour basis. NQ is a 3-hour buy stop to its blue line. You can see me flash the take profits up there as they come through. See right there, 20,100. NQ1, this is NAS 100. I'm going to squishy that out a little bit so you can see it amazing. Take profit 1, 19,886. Take profit 2, 19,987. YM1 is a 90-minute buy stop. Take profit 1 here. Take profit 2 is right off the orange line as always. And take profit 3 is going to be right below the blue line as always. US 30, 90-minute buy stop. Take profit 1. And I'm going to drop down the lower time frame so we can get some more take profits open. And there we go. Now let's go down here. And I'm going to find this like a 1 minute, maybe. Definitely 5 minutes. Yeah. Let's go to here. 10 minute. We're going to do a 10-minute buy stop at US 30. So we can catch it a little bit early when it starts to flip. Oh, I see flippage. SPX. Hold on. Let me get the here the alerts go. Look for a 1-second buy stop on SPX and ES1. Just look for it. I'm not telling you to take it. I'm telling you to look for it. Let me get over there. I'll get over there in just a second. This is YM, 10-minute buy stop YM. NAS. Go a little bit higher. Look at NAS. Damn. NAS. You go. NAS is a 90-minute buy stop. I don't know how low that is. I don't know where we're at. Oh, it's down there. Fuck yeah. Here's your first one. I want to hear NAS go ching, ching, ching-a-ling. Ching, ching, ching-a-ling, ching. NQ1, and then we're going to get over to, they already hit. One side, look for US 30, 1 second buy stop to the blue line, US 30, 1 second buy stop, and yes, you heard me right. We trade 1 seconds around here. Feel free. Now, let's go to SPX. 90-minute buy stop SPX. I'm just trying to catch them so when they flip, I can hear the ding dings. I can get us over there and make some more money for us. Demo money only, of course. Demo money only. Okay. Blue line hit, US 30 1 second. US 35 second. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. All indices, just play it. Take your time. It is a 5-second buy stop. I see it. You're going to see a little pull down, then it'll come back up. 5-second buy stop YM. 5-second buy stop YM to the blue line. NAS 5-second to the blue line buy stop NAS. Love the NAS one. That's gorgeous right there. Let's see NQ1. NQ1 for all you guys who do your whatever. I don't make fun of it, but you're fun to trader. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. SPX 5 stop to the 5-second line. We're about to hear a whole bunch of things going off peeps. Maybe not now, but they're all going to be hitting us before long. Take your time, no rush. Buy stops. Flashing the money sign. Flashing the money sign. Look at Keith go. Look. Go, baby. All buy stops. I wish there was an alert. Where's my alert? I don't think he's doing it for the 1 second. He didn't do it for the 1 second. Damn. I'm not telling you for the 1 second. All right. Who do we think is going to get to his 5-second blue line first? I do not know. Hey. Naz. It's either going to be Naz or SPX. It's going to be Naz. We'll see. And Q1 has a nice little alert. Listen. Can you guys hear the music? Before people are saying get the thumbs up. Watching gold and silver flow together, would it be the same? A blue line trades with the indices. Sometimes gold has followed in silver, surprisingly. Gold and silver is definitely a relationship too, yes. Copper following the other two. Not sure on the copper. That's something I don't follow copper, but it'd be very interesting, Andrew, if you set your 2 out of 3 scanner on your charts. If you have the sniper, you can set it to watch all 3 and tell me how it looks. That'd be awesome. Yes. 1 second. Hey, thank you, Larry, for telling me I didn't pay attention. What's your favorite trading platform? Eagle FX. I'm still using Eagle. Well, I'm still in that new one. I'm on Hugo's Way. I still love Hugo's Way. I'm still on all of my platforms, even Pepperstone. I'm still in Pepperstone. Nadex, still use Nadex, but not as much. I really got to get better with that. To be honest with you, I'm really liking when they let me use it. Public, Robinhood, Webull, eToro, they're just so easy to do my options on. It's like a joke. I love altcoins for crypto. So yeah, as far as these exchanges go, I'm not a financial advisor. Those are my
demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I would just be very, 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 very patient here. Be extremely patient here. We're in zero. Let's see that US 30 again. Zero rush for this flip. I'm going to take that. We're going to set up a buy stop. Let me make sure on this 30. And let's see right here. There we go. And there we go. All right. Andrew Frejo. Oh yeah, let me know, Andrew, how that goes. That'd be real nice. Honestly, that'd be cool. Then we could have gold, silver, and copper. I wonder if platinum would be in that group. But gold and silver's always had a relationship. I forgot what it was. At one time, it was like 20-1 or 10-1. It always had that kind, but I don't know. I don't follow it. This indices keep me busy enough. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, look at mom. I miss mom. Mamma Mia. Was it 4 years? Just a few days ago, back in April. Da 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 da. StubHub. Dua Lipa's coming? When the hell she coming? September 13th. Well, look at Atlanta. They're finally getting some people in there. How cute. All right. Yeah, that's fine. Just sit there and wait. We're in a zero rush for anything to flip around. What do we got? Jeez, oh, Pete, we got like 45 minutes, 40 minutes before market open. It's going to be a minute. They might still see SCL. They're just still dropping that down. We're going to have to be patient on that reversal. I'm kind of hoping they'll give us the push at open when we need it to get a little profit out anyways. 30-minute buy stop all indices. And then I love the 90-minute buy stop on US 30 and on ES1. It's in the game. That's how I would look at it. Just put your buys, go up to those time frames. In other words, look, go up to here. What am I on? US 30, go up to the 90-minute. And then just put your buy stop. And you can actually put it right above where it is. Where's the yellow at? Right there. Yeah, because it's going from here to here. So you don't have to catch every tip on the 1 second, 5 seconds. All you need to do is catch it to the orange line and then from the orange line to the blue line. That's all it's going to do. So no rush. You don't want to get every pip. You want to get the safest pips. Dua Lipa, State Farm Arena. Da 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 da. High opening screen. What are we calling? What are we calling? YM. YM. What is that? YM to the side. Nice. Come on, little bit. There you go. Look. YM hits first take profit, going to its second take profit. Nice. Which means US 30 is going to be doing that too. Yeah. US 30 is going to hooky. Pink line is going to come down. Hopefully come down a little lower. We need a space right here. Then to go up. There we go. NQ1. Well, there's US 30. US 30 to the 5 second blue line. Woo! Let's go over to NQ1. 5 second blue line. Get NAS. 5 second blue line. NQ1. You're about to see these flip to range. Green right here. Woo! There you go. We're going to go. NQ1. There you go. See you. Watch him come. Watch this now. Watch over here. Let's go over here. Let's come. Ding, ding, ding-a-ling. Ding, ding, ding-a-ling. Da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. Da-da. This is what it's reading. It's going to go up. This one. YM. There you go. Look at it go, baby. Look at it go. Go, baby. Da-da-da-da-da. Watch all. Colors are all green. It's Christmas. Red and green, green and red. Christmas time. There's US 30. You're making money on all of those trades. You can close down some of the trades that you have open. Feel free. I'm going to leave 2 open. I'm going to lock your profit on those 2. Da 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 dee. Da 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 da. How nice. Nice. NQ1 for the win. There you go. Nice Aussie trader. Nice. Did everyone catch a little bit of that action? That was fun. Same thing again. 5 second buy stops. The 5 second blue lines. It'll go back up over here. This gap will fill in. The pink will cross the purple, will go up to the blue. This green will touch the yellow. And price action will touch this blue line. Let's just sit back and wait. That's for ES1. It's in the game. This is a ricochet. Trading view cross, cash out, successful trading view cross. Oh man, what time is it? Who's having fun? It's not a super fast morning, but it's still fun. Still fun. I can't complain. Complaining will get you nowhere anyways. No one gives 2 bucks if you're complaining. Da 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 da. helped everybody out, and they wouldn't help him. People are sometimes douches. Oh, yes, they are. Sometimes they take advantage of people, and yes, they do. Da 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 da. Set expiration. Da 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 da. We need to do auto login, modified trading user. Make sure you have your authenticator ready. Authenticator's ready. Alpha go. 874. Da 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 da. Keith made the coolest thing. I wish you guys could see it. Give me just a second. I'm logging in. One of my take profits were hit on the reverse when it pulled back. Da 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 da. Oh. Da 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 dee. Da da da. If you didn't know, humming increases your nitric oxide by like 10-fold. So when you hum, you go like that. You're actually creating nitric oxide. It's a huge wave, which helps calm down your vagus nerve, which helps bring your brain waves from beta to alpha. And you want to be in alpha brain waves your whole entire life, not beta. Beta is when you're in survival mode. That's when you're overly stressed. That's when all your stress hormones like cortisol are kicked out. But if you're in, I picked that really good. But if you're in alpha, that is your healing mode. That is your parasympathetic system, and alpha is where your brain waves allow healing, and it actually flips on genes. They actually create, let's listen to this one. It actually creates alpha waves when you get into the state, creates your proteins like L-tryptophan, and then that creates your serotonin, and that creates your happy. So it creates your happy thing. So when you're actually in alpha brainwaves, which are 8 to 12 hertz, if you're using binaural beats, which would help, or you can do like I told you about the humming, or you can do like vagus nerve stimulation, like a massage, or you can do, I have about 200 things you can do to do that. So lots of stuff. You never know what I'm talking about in here, do you? Da 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 da. NT1 for the win. Nice. As we sit here, wait. We have he's great. I mean, he made the nicest thing for Bree. He made a customer service retention plan that is just the best. Boom, baby. He did it perfect. Look at that shit right there. Look at that shit right there, right there, right there. Now we have to add subscribers to the sniper and the rifle. Add 1 month. Auto login, baby. Make sure you have the authenticator code ready. I do. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Da 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 dee. Gonna be. Gotta tell Rayshawn we're hooking them up. Da 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 da. Don't mess around with niacin. You get that niacin flush. Oh boy, you'll regret that. Well, it's good that you don't really want it. Okay. Nice. Anybody have any symbols you want me to check for you? We can do that now. Any symbols you want me to check? Any symbols you want me to check? Da 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 da. Da da dee da da dee da 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 da. All done. Yay, Rayshawn is done. You go, Rayshawn. God. A little too close. That's good. Your money back. There you go. There you go, my friend. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da dee da da. Da 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 da. All right, Sugar Plum Fairy. NQ1 for the win. No one has any questions? No one has any? No one wants me to check any symbols. Really? Let's see. What's this? I'm going to go ahead and say that sell is kicking ass. We're back to the 5-minute. Look for US 30. Look for US 35 minute sell. Where's the 5 minute up? Let's see. Yeah. Sell US 30 to the 5-minute blue line and YM. Yeah, and YM's there. YM's there. This next candle breaks. It'll show below. Let me see with US 30. I don't think US 30 is. Yeah, it's right there. You're going to see US 30 candle flip here. I don't know if the next one, maybe it might flip to red. Damn, they're just dropping that shit like a rock, aren't they now? Good morning, Barani. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning, Henry, Old School, Sugar Plum Fairy. I haven't seen you in a while. Larry Cooper, Aussie Trader. It's my time, Lazarus. The Black Pearl, Kenny J, Jamil, Annie Apple, Corey Bradley, Heckman, user 3040, Andrew Frejo, user 4612, Giro Baru, BH8, John Reynolds, Ryan Marcus, Super Z, Cristobal Armas, The Griffey, Rich OBX, Persistent, Rayshawn Warren, Brad, Ronnie Q, Desinger, and Joe Biga. Welcome to everybody on TikTok. Welcome to everybody on YouTube. It's pretty much been a nice, simple morning, quiet morning. Not a lot of training going on. Some training. Oh my goodness. We're trading demo trades pretty good, making some decent money. And then we're doing a little bit of psychology stuff early on. I thought that was nice. Not a lot of training with an N, though. I haven't really trained on what to do and how to spot things, but, whatever. Oh. Good morning, Sub-Zero. Sub-Zero. It's in the game. Get over here. Fatality. They still have that game out. I imagine it was really fucking popular. Morning, persistent. All right. All right. You can either do these sells, let's say in 10 minutes, or you can have the patience of a saint and wait for the higher time frame buys. It can go down to the 10-minute on NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES1. I just don't play these sells. Look, you want to just let these smaller time frames over here, right here, make these buy stops on the higher time frames. See all those BSs? What I tell you this morning, there's only like 1 or 2 BSs over here then. But look, it's all flipped to red. Now you start to see more of the higher time frame buy stops clicking. You see them? Look, oh my gosh, we got a perfect 90-minute buy stop, all indices to the US 30 blue line 90-minute. 90-minute buy stop, all indices to the blue line of US 30's 90-minute. Oh, that's as easy as shit. Let's go over to US 30 and see what that's all about. 90-minute. And go over there. And there you go. Yep. It's absolute perfection. So this trade is right here. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line. Now remember, if I can do it, look, remember this PPWPs. If I can trade like this every day, and then we can get Marco Risby to retire with my system, Kimberly Harrington, Maria Toller, stay-at-home mom, Gary, Adam S., Josh, Tommy, Jay, and one of our members has done so well with the system. He has his own regulated brokerage firm in Norway, and here it is. And that is Goroff. He literally has his own brokerage firm. Couldn't be more proud of him. So again, some people say, "Oh, I can't get it to work," and that's true. Other people open up their own brokerage houses. All I can tell you, if Goroff can do it, you can do it. If Goroff can do it, you can do it. And you can obviously see Goroff's doing it. So 23 minutes to market open. I couldn't be happier. Can you imagine someone doing so well with my system for the last 3 years? They were able to pass all the government regulations and get all the money they needed, which I heard was he had a lot of money put on this to get it. So he can open up his own regulated broker in Norway. I just think that's so fucking cool. I have neither the patience nor the tolerance to deal with our government to try to open up a brokerage house in America. Oh my goodness. I couldn't imagine the hoops you'd have to jump through. I'm not doing it, ever doing it. Oh yeah. Da-da-da. Good morning, Dad Bod, Hot Rods. You have your money yet? Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, X. I'm trying to get on that. What's that? That came. Da-da-da-da-dee. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-dee-da-da-dee-da-da-da-da. Yeah, do some exercises. All right, let's go back to training. US 30 hit its 5-minute blue line. Yep, and it's past it. Let's go to its 10-minute. That's going to be a minute. Let me go over here. Is it going to go? I don't think they're going to hit the 10-minute. I think NAS and Q will get close. But again, we don't care. Let them keep falling like a rock is what I say. I prefer. Let's just wait for open, see if this doesn't happen. That's all. Yes, I pulled it right out of our asses and it did it. Let's just see if we can get it again. We're just going to let this keep falling. And then I'm going to put in my buy stop. Let's see. Yeah, look at them fall. This is great. Let it keep dropping. Let me put it in buy here. Da, 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 da. Where am I at? Oh, I'm putting a buy stop on US 30. Let's go right here. Let me go in your trade. Let me get that. I'm going to follow it down. Just follow this down as it goes down. What size are those trades? Shit. Oh, it's a 1. Okay. And just follow it down as this goes down. What goes down must come up, and if it doesn't come up now, it'll come up around 230. Okay. Now, we have some of those ready to roll. Let me see. Frustration. Good luck, my brother. All right, where were we? Time for Bible prayer, time for work. Nice, Dad Bod. Hit my goal for morning. Thank God. Nice, Dad Bod. Congratulations. Andrew, for you. Isn't that great to see you? It is great to see. All right, where are we at? Yeah, I'm going to hang out here. We're going to follow this down. How much further go down? Not much further yet. I'm going to watch US 30 for the turnaround here really closely. Hopefully it open. Look at keys flashing the money signs on the 60. That means everything's perfect for the 60 buy on US 30. 60-minute buy stop to the 90-minute blue line US 30. Da 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 da. Da da dee da. All right. Yeah, I'm pretty comfy with this. We'll hang out. I do have some time this morning. I don't have to run right at 9:30. Yesterday, I had to go right at 9:30. Boy. Good thing, too. Everything worked out perfectly. Thank you all for your prayers and your blessings. They always come in handy. They're always appreciated. I can't thank you enough for your prayers and your blessings for me and Bree. I cannot. And for my family and for Keith. Please keep them coming. I truly, and actually scientifically proven now, right, that the power of prayer, the more people you have praying for you, the intention of helping you heal or be better or whatever, it helps. So I do thank you all for your prayers and your blessings. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call Adrian. Yo, Adrian. Yo, Adrian. It's one of our guys used to deal with that one. I think he's having some problems. Da 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 da. 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 28 years later. Oh, that's cool. The movie's coming out in June. All right. I'm focused. What we at? No. Let me go down here. Okay, I don't really care where this is going down to. I'll wait here and see if we can start seeing some a little bit of crossing up. Oh yeah. Let me get to that 1 second. Yesterday I didn't pay attention. There you go. Ooh, 1 second to the 1 second blue line. NAS, US 30, SPX. Come on, babies. Can we get up there? Can you fill this gap right here? Can the pink cross the purple? Can it go up to the blue line? I don't know. Pink cross purple. We're gonna get that thing. So this blue purple that goes up, it goes up to that blue line. Pink cross purple. Can that go up and touch yellow? Can that go up and touch the blue line? Pink come up. This cross. Can this go to the blue line? Come on. Oh, we have a touchdown. Hell yeah, we do. That's close enough. Stick out your tongue. You can lick that blue line. Yep, we're golden. Look, things are cross purple. Come back up. Yeah, there it is. Touchdown to NAS 100 to the 1 second. Whoa, where's Miss Pessimistic at? Remember the silly? Oh, what difference does it make if you try? There it is. Told you. There's your green flashing. What difference does it make? You could trade a 1 second. No one does that. And then Tommy came on and he traded like $30,000 that day in 1 second. Remember her? What was that lady's name? I should call her out every day and mock her for her ignorance. Jeez, oh pizza. You need not to be mean. You don't need to be negative. You don't need to be a downer. 1 second trades are just as good as 5 second trades. Trust me. Da, 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 da. Look at this. Look at this. Watch, there she goes. Watch, I see NQ now. Watch, here comes. Oh, this is going. Keep this 1 second I'm talking about. NAS crossed first. And then look, here comes NQ. That's going to take another pink coming down one. Watch. And watch, it's going to go up cross. Watch, the cross rate is going to turn to green right there. Look. David, your guys are watching. Look at this. Wow. Look. They just did that. How do I get? We gotta get you. Get that. I followed. That's okay. All I care about is that 1 second. That's all we wanted. Let's go back to NAS then. We're right up over that blue line, baby. I don't think we're going to kind of pull after that. But still, that was fun. I like seeing that. I love seeing them develop like that. That's perfect. It's right back to this now. Come on, peeps. What time is it? Damn. I'm going to watch. Yesterday I watched US 30 at SPX. Today I'm watching US 30 at NAS. US 30 at NAS. Make this NAS. I'm going to change this to 5 seconds. No. Yeah. We're going to make this one US 30. Hang right here. I'm going to hang down here at the 1 second level for a while. Sell stop 1 second level, but I don't care about that. Sell Just wait. All right. We have about 10 minutes to market open. Please don't play market open. If you're going to play market open, you got to move fast in and out. Do not play around with market open. Demo trade only. We make so much money every morning. Demo money only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
You do not need to trade at all market open. You don't need to do it. It's much better to trade before market open. I don't like after hours. Some of my guys are trading after hours. That's fine. I don't like those time periods. I like 5 in the morning till about, well, depending if there's news at 8:30, but till about 9:15. That's when you guys should be trading. You should be all done trading by now. There's no need to trade market open. We've already made very, very good money this morning. But we're going to go ahead and do it anyways. Time for the bound prayer. Laughter out loud, says Larry. All right. Anybody have any questions? Anything before we get going here? Any other symbols? I can check maybe 2 symbols before market open here. The 1 seconds are going down, but I don't care. We're just going to hold. Free upgrade for the sniper rifle called the Uno Reverse monster thing. I don't know what we would call it. But anyway, that one is coming up at the end of May for you guys. And that will include a signal service for those of you in signal 1, 2, or 3. That's also going to be a new one for you guys. So we get a free upgrade for those in the signal rooms. I'm going to have to go over all those signals, matter of fact. Stop. Yeah, that's what. Da, 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 da. All right. Oh, I see NAS 1 second buy to the blue line. I see NAS 1 second buy to the blue line. It's about to flash. You're about to get it. Yep, there it is. There they are. There's NAS and NQ. ES1, there's your 1 second. You're about to see US 30 cross its 1 second blue line. There they are. Buy stop to the 1 sec to the 5 second blue line. So let's go over to the 5 second. I don't want to do it now. I needed to do it after fucking open. Let's see. Now we have these already done. Let's see if we can grab this over here. Next is right there. Let's see if we can grab these. Always checking the sniper. Always checking the sniper. Buy stop all indices towards the 5 second blue line. We're gonna have to see a little pullback here first. Let's see how they look. I think you're gonna see. You might see US 30 hit it first. This is the last one to hit the 1 second, but it is close. This will be interesting. Remember, if I can do it, any of our other members can do it. You guys can do it. Head over to the safetytrade.com and buy the system. I'm the worst at this. I got good for a few days there, but kind of shitty lately. At any rate, 575.777 sold out. This is the one you get to buy. There it is. Pink line down. This is a hook. This will come back up. We don't really have it low enough, though. I prefer this to dip more. We don't have a gap right here or here. That's unusual. I don't like that. Even on 5 second, I'd rather it follow it to come down some more. Well, either way, going to the blue line. What's up, fam? What's up, Dark Lights? Good morning, D. Jones. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and X. Just waiting for these 5 seconds to click in. Maybe a little buy stop, maybe. Little buy stop, maybe. NQ1 flashing, I saw. There we go. See the space? See the space? Look. Right here. You have a space now in between. You'll see the pink cross purple, go to blue. This green will go up and touch this yellow. Price action will go back up towards the 5-second. If it's going to flip, I don't know. I'm not worried. I'd rather just keep going down for the next 6 minutes, and then we get into the buy stop at open. I'm calling it already, though. I'll be looking at US 30 and NAS buy stops to the 5-second blue line at open. That's what I'll be looking at. And I probably will be on live later today. I don't know about the 2 o'clock time, though, for FOMC. I hope I am. I'll trade it with you if I am. Let's see. We're waiting for, there's your hook. Blue cross, pink cross blue. This will turn to green. Price action will go up past the origin it just did. So now we have successful NAS. Wait for this one on US 30 to pop up a little bit more. See, there it is going up. There's your red to green, and there is back to the orange line. It's not quite there. It needs to come up a little bit higher and hit that orange line. It did it on NAS, though. NAS is complete. Well, speaking of which, why is it quiet? Let's go. If you move up, you might as well know it. We might as well know it. That's what I say. Might as well know it. 5-second buy on all indices. I'm calling for a buy at market open on all indices. Hey, if it works out like yesterday, great. And it dipped the rest of the day, I don't give 2 fucks. Take your money out on these trades. You don't trade market open. If you do, lock in profits. Demo trade only, and make sure you get in and out of these fucking trades really fast. You'll notice I don't hold them. I get in and out super fast. You are in profit. You are in profit on US 30 buys that I had my buy stop set up for. You are in profit. You can close down your trades on those if you like. You are in profit. There's no need to hold on to anything. Matter of fact, I'm going to close off one of those. All right, where are we? Da 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 da. 3 minutes to market open. 3 minutes to market open. Do not trade market open. Demo trade only. If you're going to trade it, lock in profits and you move really quick. I'd recommend you head over to me on TikTok so that you could actually hear it faster. YouTube's too slow. All right, this is going to be market open. I'm calling for a buy on all indices at market open. Even if we get 5, 10, 15, just close down your trades quickly, please. Nice. I'm in profit on mine. I'm just going to flash those really quick. Yay. And then we're going to lock in profit. And then we're going to close a couple of those down once this boosts up just a little bit. Buy, stop, at open, all indices, about 2 minutes left. Again, for the 50 millionth time, do not trade open. It's already done. We've made enough demo money.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
With it. But if you're going to trade, make sure you move fast and furiously. Make sure you move fast and furiously. I'm specifically looking for a US 30 buy at this open. But I'm also watching NAS. To the left is NAS. To the right is US 30. US 30 is doing fantastic. You can close down these trades if you'd like to. US 30 is doing fantastic already. You don't get to trades unless you want to, speak of which. I'm closing one down and I'm going to lock in profit on the other. Okay. Now, market open in about a minute. Demo trade only. Get in and out quick. We're looking for a pull-up, especially US 30. But I'm looking for it across the board on NAS and SPX2. And, of course, ES and NQ1, because they're all the same, including SPY, including QQQ. Has it correct me up? Well, SPY different. SPY is the fucking exact same thing. Anywho, US 30, buy, stop, at open. We'll see. If it dips, it dips. No big deal. I've already made my money. Just lock in your profit. Let's go, peeps. Market open in less than 3. Come on, that'd be a big market open too. I hate when they're duds and they barely move. It drives me nuts. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And I ain't got a lot of time to sit around. Maybe like 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes I can hang out here. So hopefully it'll bust up before then. If not, look for this to go up around 201. Right after FOMC. Market open, market open, market open, market open, market open now. There you go. Nothing, nothing. A pull down, buy into US 30. Put a buy stop in the US 30. Stay right there. Wait right here. You're in profit on the US 30 trade. Don't touch NAS. Don't touch NAS. You're in profit again on US 30. You can close those trades down. Feel free. You're in profit again for like the 3rd or 4th time. All you have to do is just pop off that one. Look, look, look. You're in profit on US 30. Very good. Take that money and run. You don't have to stay in it. I'm going to check SPX real quick. Not that I really care about this. No, we're good. We're good. This is US 30 right here. Profit. Take profit out of US 30. Take profit out. Take profit of US 30. There it is. Bam. Bingo. Bingo. Take profit out of US 30. You're in shit tons of money. You can close that right now. There you go. There, touchdown. There you go. 4 or 5 grand trade. Look at US 30 go. Who called US 30? Who called US 30? Who called US 30? Bam, baby. Look at that. All of them now. All of them. You're feasting. You're feasting. Look at the shit. Oh, gorgeous. Let's go to 10 seconds. Yeah. There you go. Feasting on this money. Feasting on this money. Feasting. Feasting, 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 feasting. 6,000, 5,000, 7,000. Told you. Told you. It's a look at that song. Look at it go. Look at it go. I got my one trade. There you go. 7,000. Chicken dinner. We have a winner. I have one trade open. It's a runner, and I have my stop loss in place. Just let it run, baby. Let it run. Hopefully, there's a lot of big guys out there. If you can see me doing it, you can see our members doing it, you guys can do it too. SafetyTrade.com. If we can do it, you can do it. If we can do it, you can do it. 575 for the year. Look at it go. Gorgeous trade. That was just perfection. All right, I'm done. All right, guys. Hope we made a little money on that. Buy stop US 30. Let me be clear on the statement. I'm not stuttering. Right here, I'll write it up for you. All of our indices. All of our indices. Just be patient. Indices. That's US 30, NAS, SPX, YM1, and Q1, ES when it's in the game. You can do the sells if you want. Feel free. You can do, I don't know, whatever that was, like a 3-minute, 5-minute sell, 5-minute sells. But I would be patient. Maybe around 2 ish. Play 90. Well, they're technically 16, but 90-minute buy stops to US 30. 90-minute. There is a 12. There is a daily sell. Daily sell. All of them. But the one I love best, weekly buy all of them. Best, love it, do record highs. And I know we're going to take a beating when that daily kicks in, but I don't care. Hopefully that's clear to all of you. Hopefully you guys are all happy. And that's what I'll be looking at. All right, guys, talk to you later on TikTok. I should be on later today. We'll see. God bless. YouTubers, I'm going to roll too. God bless you all. Thank you. Hope you had a fun morning. Hope you made a little demo money. Demo money only, babes.
Demo trade only. I am
Nice,
not a financial advisor.
You're welcome, Techman. All right. God bless you all. Everyone just have fun. I will talk to y'all later. See ya.